The kind little bird who changed a grumpy bear's life. Once upon a time, in a dense forest, there lived a kind little bird named Tweet. Tweet was known throughout the forest for her cheerful song and friendly nature. She loved to visit all the creatures of the forest and make them smile with her sweet melodies. One day, Tweet heard about a grumpy old bear who lived deep in the forest. The bear was always angry and growled at everyone who came near. Tweet felt sorry for the bear, and she wanted to help him. So she decided to visit the bear and see if she could make him smile. When she reached the bear's cave, she started to sing her sweetest song. But the bear just growled and told her to go away. Tweet was a little discouraged, but she didn't give up. She kept visiting the bear every day, singing her song and bringing him treats from the forest. Slowly but surely, the bear started to soften. He stopped growling and started to listen to Tweet's song. And before long, he was smiling and even singing along with her.
The lesson in this story is that a little kindness and patience can go a long way. Tweet, the kind little bird, showed us that even the grumpiest and angriest of people can be changed with a little love and care. So let's all be like Tweet, spreading kindness and joy wherever we go, and making the world a brighter and happier place.